What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today it's just a normal vlog. Our leaders from Chuuk are coming to discuss something, and that's the only things I'm gonna say. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and enjoy this vlog.
So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today it's another beautiful day, and yes, we're, as Marlon said, we are okay. It's a normal day for vlogging, and we've got some leaders from our country, from our state of Chuuk. They're here to discuss on some important matters, but before we take you into that meeting, I just want to show you that this are our family. This is what's up. You want to say hi?
Hello.
Yeah. And that's Rosen.
This is our church studio.
Yeah, this is our church studio. So today, like mentioned earlier, so today our leaders of Chuuk will be discussing some matters about Chuuk. They'll be discussing about Chuuk secession from the state of from the Federation, from FSM. So I don't really know much about it, but hopefully we'll get something out of this meeting. But yep, we'll show you how it's going down, and hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And yeah, we'll see you later.
Memang ada si hotel pintu metekei aucian asubun iwe mi murinda si boban update yang ramasren annawon ajmud seri rom to rigre gare gabet ai boisan update meta fish meta ranom men siapa kegi gari de soro pekiron nge buat asubun gari gemia yang buat sire anauras kapan kamper gari malmete e poto taloren whiskey iwe na kwa usus pugitan iga buati chigi sokobatu net fish non ke faso to rigrai iwe Ila ibarat boleh berfokutan dari burau selesai updates yang boleh mesenap ke perawusan non cubi gerai peruan ne ekor fislon ewe 2023 berbeda don me sia keki sia tigor or fanso medicine nora jiote le ko te ko para e muri gerikits me si boto refer gu get si bo kama ku ngame di chok nora si as processor ki sab ki chok lewis par mere maybe si ki jaros as si wala fer si bo to fer nor me si bo fer you have made the game as you have heard nor as move you have been very aggressive si bo kutta and any economy ke ache economy for pro ila chat me si ora ngu le bor maran ari machine interface start si bo to no still comes 2023 after the year si ri ache the I do only 5 years nor keep there as he via Kalana is a focus. So focus. You are jangan nor mecu you si prefer the warat le national conference you prefer the meeting is so jauh dari pandu sekarang berespon ini karena reserve free better agar efficient transfer London efficient transfer you will be working Puisan area of K-States. Kue kupanda Messi upasuri non era faso nasi bu. Doya, maintain this be preferring non a faso at the very moment for other non-areas potential investment. You begin with siapa tu orang lawas. Kisi. Oleh investor satu tiga ragu sab bisnis sab mana no. Mere si kuara masih sudah. We garai apa hari ini. Ami orang mas non family non mutual non community. We garai apa hari ini. Kuara lagi pada beriaja. She will change to image arabotori attractive kejon itu. Wesi sabtu di kwa visionary visionary USA arabo cuba satu tori yang besar muda mau betul betul me yerusu. Aku juga si boy aku pusin angawa fenwat wesi boy awat tim ada ngomong si boy dua fenwat si boy arislan.
What's up? Dad, you know the first is almost faster than me. In race.
Oh yeah?
Watch this, can you watch this?
What are you guys doing?
Can you race me? Yeah. What's this, Dad?
Hey, what's up?
It's George's birthday today.
Hey, dude.
Who?
Is the people from Idaho watching this?
George's birthday today.
Hey, dude, is the people from Idaho watching this?
Yeah, yeah.
Look,
Oh,
this is the birthday
Watch
gift.
me
Oh.
and him race. Let's go.
What's going on, Rasan?
Go. Hey, look. Let's go.
finish what? I'm following you. I'm following you. Hey, did that leave already?
What's up?
So
what's up? So let me ask you a question, man. So what do you think about? What do you think of? Do you understand
I beat you too, and
what they were talking about inside?
No.
What about you, Marlon?
Whoa, I beat ya.
Okay, so you are an U.S. citizen, right? Because you were born in Hawaii, so you're considered U.S. citizen. So, what do you think about Chuuk seceding from the FSM, which means we're not going to be part of the FSM?
What?
Yeah. So, what do you think about that? Do you know? Do you even have a clue what I just asked you? No.
So we're not gonna be.
Well, I am, not you, because you're a U.S. citizen.
I am.
Uh-huh.
I'm your brother.
You know, you have no idea. What about you?
Told me that we're gonna Chuuk is independent.
Uh-huh. That's right.
We're gonna be
Wait, does it mean that everybody has to go there?
Chinese.
What?
Yeah. So
I'm Chinese.
anyway, you guys have no clue what I just asked you, right? No. It's not even important to you.
I don't even know.
Yeah, it doesn't. Okay, so it doesn't really concern you because you guys are all U.S. citizens. So,
No, wait, no.
but your mom and dad, we're all from FSM. We're
Like-
part of the FSM. So, if this happens, if
I'm not
we are citizens of the FSM.
I'm not.
All right, guys. I apologize. These guys have no clue what I just asked them. It's regarding the session from the FSM, but I guess it doesn't really concern them because they're U.S. citizens. So yeah, sorry guys. Yeah, but it does concern me. I'm a U.S. I'm an FSM citizen. So yeah, it's. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna say.
I do care about it, but I don't understand.
Yeah, but we'll see what next year will bring. We'll see if it's a yes. If everybody votes for yes, then yep, it's happening. I apologize, guys. I know today's a really boring vlog, but yeah, these guys are just having fun.
Nobody's gonna. So no kids are gonna be in a video.
No, you guys are on the video. What are you talking about? Yeah. All right.
I'm not allowed to go. Guys, I got injured. Okay, go.
All right. Well.
I hurt my back doing that video.
All right. Time for me to get back inside and learn some more. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Learn some more about FSM or Chuuk.
Why
Okay.
you kick?
So.
I'm eating, bro. I don't know.
So, have you been listening to the meeting, the discussion?
No, sir.
So, what do you think about the Chuuk seceding from FSM or breaking away from the FSM? Do you know anything about that?
I think it's a good idea.
Why?
I think it's just, in general, a good idea.
Why is it a good idea?
I have no idea.
Huh? I guess. Were you born and raised here? Were you born here?
No.
Where were you born? Chuuk?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
So you are Chuuk? You're a Chuuk's citizen?
Yep.
Okay. So you think it's a good idea or it's a bad idea?
I have no clue. I don't know what the.
Man, you should have listened to the discussion.
Should have.
That's an egg sandwich.
All right.
I can't see.
Med fjevjo. Var a discussion with Chuuk här på tåg. Oh, can you mix it up with subject di karate? Si posire si sese ke karo posir cerun. Betma, what do you think? You think okay, you think it's good or bad?
It's a good thing for us because now we understand.
Okay, good.
But before we have no idea what they're talking about.
Thank you for your input. Huh? What? Yes, I'm sorry. What? Check yes. Okay.
Yes.
Gero.
You cannot say yes, get out.
So what? Welcome back. Me February bill. Huh? Yes or no?
Yes or no?
Okay, Gero. Yeah, just peace. Okay, question. What do you think? If it's a little bit hard for you to just tell me what you think about the discussion. Tell me if it's a yes or no.
Yes, I'm hungry.
Okay, I mean besides the food. Yeah? Is that a yes or no?
Answer for us. No, I'm not hungry.
I don't think it concerns you because it's you're a citizen. That's right.
I don't like
Ngero citizen. Bet yes or no? Maybe. Ngero.
Republic of Chuuk.
Republic of Chuuk. Ngavio. Bet yes or no? Yes. Okay. Ngero. Let me have you. Okay. Meto, masaw. Mi tipegeri kasi tipegeri. Yes. Okay. Can I? What do you think? You think it's a yes or no? Maybe. Meron. Well, I know you love me, but besides that, yes or no? What do you think?
No,
Yes. It's a yes?
it's a yes, it's a no, it's a no.
It's a no?
Yes, it's a no.
Okay. What is that?
Tastes bad.
I like it.
You better eat it.
No, what's this?
About to play something? Oh wait, no, never mind. It's off. Currently out of work.
What are you guys
Man, I
eating?
do not like my sandwich.
Hey, there's no coconut milk. Ano yun? Ano? Mavetek ka rin. Oh. Can I get your answer? What do you think? You think it's a yes or no? Huh?
First I was saying no. Now I'm confused.
Now you're confused.
No.
It's still no? You think there's a possibility it might change to yes?
No.
If you check no. Oh. Huh? Yeah. Yes, no.
Forget to like and subscribe. Like and
Vamos tayo ay. What's up with So no for the session, but yes to like and subscribe.
Kapasan, ang namang forward. Warga kapasan, begitu-begitu digerai. Warga kapasan sawa pasir dari sepusapuan. Wewe fichiri, ngetir ngawal juga bewa puan. Wewe dia coach. Orang ke kapasan sendiri. Puan beli dia wewe di sini ke perwan ini atau sini miskin. Weira, pakul di soja pulgari ke bisi. Ibu jaga, atu tuan, pengen tirat, non iotek, ada beberapa meriah cu, med, begitu siri gerai ini so, susah perway ti buat sebelum, gaya buat ye si buat kira menor, gaya betul, si buat way ti, ika sepuan ira tibang. Iya, siapa orang no, nggak tidak acarayan, orang sepanjang grup nggak, iya bet, semua nggak orang masalah orang ini soal, kerja saya kayak gini, nggak berfikir, asal otak, nggak asal berbuat, lessi nggak disini bet asal otak, saya pun, kami sini buat. Para acurari juga siapa juga sisi ni ke para acurari juga karena dia siapa baru terapat tubuh kan dia sudah lusuh orang kita apa sahaja era ni betul era tonat itu era cari yang siapa juga usaha itu mesti sudah
meski ataupun kapan jangan saya bawa beri cani Nasama Chuan Baran Karsong Lori Bagwich sa Pinas. Animation Malgriso sa Bernian Malgriso ganin sa Manskot dari Fanson Kristo ko sa unusun players ida ito ni Chomo ay berkabasais dan Chomo ay kabasais ay fito. You know, we didn't have a fat ginigits, fat gini, may kisa kaya kunay, kaya lagi na masarap na lagi. Kiliso nga ni sa matkir, tasip lagis, kaya na nekiyat, and kanila Chuuk na ba? Kailangan lang ka-future. Yung kabasayas may sinalamalawang bengkatan, rumarong. Yung nga, kaya nga naman may nangyayag tamo ni family. Malay kuro ang naglalaro. At si Chuuk. Mali mo may oray kang siya ako, manaya ka rumarong net. Comment on Facebook. Ngayon ko rin mag-close sinalay ng Facebook. Walang niyafat ka ni Amerike. Kristo sa Belgani, Ami sa Matskay, Paldori, Ami Kiw Kapito, Ani Nale, Kamsiya Chuuk. Siba sa pwela lang kiotik. Kaya nitan, may tawa mo rin na dari cara masalah Chuuk. Inamer siba itu mana ikut permisian netukar iwaya bakal mesin. Karena mesin orang kanas. Dan yang dalam pusiran kawas mesti kita pun ibu negara orang kanas. Ya berbeda yang kia ko terbalik kalau komunis. Ia paling lebih mencetak besar di sosial ini sama sekali orang mention bilang memakai jelas. Ko terbalik ia cik kami muncul besar.
These are the food specially made for our guests. Tidak maaf kata luar YouTube. Your answer. So, what do you think about the meeting?
It was good.
It was good. You?
Good.
Good. Good. What do you think? What do you think about the meeting? Good. Good.
Record the baby already. Record the baby.
I think he's scratching. Hello.
Say peace. Peace. Say peace.
You serious?
Say yes. For yes. Decision again.
I go for yes. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the governor of Chuuk, my cousin. He's the governor of Chuuk, but he's my cousin too. First cousin to be exact. This is how small our state is. He's the governor of Chuuk, but he's also our cousin.
And yes for subscribe and right on.
Yes. So think about it. Yes for the secession and yes for like and subscribe. So these are the people from the commission.
With the Snapchat filter.
Patrick, do you mind if I take your answer? I said, do you mind if I take an answer from you? Huh? Are you ready? What do you think? Are you yes or no? Huh? Maybe?
Wow. 1, 2,
Oh, look at the M3E, Marlon, right there.
Pato.
Video ini.
Pato.
Någon video kommer post i Warnet. Facebook. Hey, wow, so wag yung answer? Better again? Yes, no. Mi check so nga. Mi check so. Wait, and no, but not Elmer.
Alright guys, that's the end of the vlog, and sorry we didn't show that much because it was an important meeting about Chuuk. And like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. And thank you for subscribing. Peace out.
Alright.